Warren Wilson College is home to many different kinds of animals, but the scaly members of this campus are often misunderstood and even forgotten. Snakes play a vital role in the ecosystem. They help to control disease and pest populations by eating pests before they can infect our food. They also typically stay out of our way, which is why so many don't know much about them. Everyone should be able to recognize the creatures that share our campus so that they can then act in a way that keeps everyone, snake and otherwise, safe. Here on the Warren Wilson College campus, there are 5 main species that are not only frequently spotted, but that are often mistaken for one another. The northern copperhead is a venomous snake with a distinctly colored head that stands out from the rest of its body. You can typically count on their Hershey kiss markings that run down their body for identification. The non-venomous eastern rat snake changes dramatically from hatchling to adult. As juveniles, these snakes are gray to brown with darker saddle markings down their backs. As adults, they are solid black with a white chin and off-white underside. The Decay's brown snake is the tiniest snake found on campus. These non-venomous snakes are brown to gray with a thin light stripe down their backs, bordered by small dark dots on either side. The northern water snake is a non-venomous snake with a stout body. Adults are gray or brown with dark bands down their backs. Juveniles look like adults, but smaller and brighter with more prominent bands. Timber rattlesnakes are highly venomous snakes. The stripe down their backs can be orange, yellow, pinkish, brown, or black. They have dark coloration at the end of their tail, before the rattle, and a chevron pattern on their back and sides. Juveniles do not yet have any rattles, just a button, and adults can lose their rattles, so a rattle should not be relied on for identification. Juvenile rat snakes are often mistaken for copperheads. Remember, rat snakes do not have the Hershey kiss markings. Decay's brown snakes are often misidentified as baby copperheads. Juvenile copperheads look like adults, but smaller and with a neon yellow tail tip. Northern water snakes are misidentified as copperheads, as well as the venomous cottonmouth, which is found elsewhere in North Carolina. Northern water snakes will have vertical bands on their jaws. As you learn more and gain experience, you will learn to recognize snakes not by their individual features, but by their entire appearance. Until you feel comfortable, ask someone who is confident in their identification for help before approaching or handling a snake. If a snake cannot be handled and needs to be removed, use a long broom or water it with a hose to encourage it to move along.